All right, you've almost made it. We're on the last lesson of word problems for the week, and we're going to look at specifically some word problems involving averages, which also has the word means. This kind of mean the same thing, and those defining one variable in terms of another and interpret the results. So that last part there, we've been doing that. We did that with perimeter problems. We did that with consecutive integer problems. We're going to throw in there some averages as well, just to give you another glimpse of what word problems can be. What is the average or mean of those four numbers? Go ahead and pause the video. You should be able to answer that question. You learned that one in the past. So if hopefully you paused it, you've tried that. What you do to find the average is you add up the numbers and divide by how many numbers you're adding together. So in this case, we added four different numbers together, so we divide by 4. So the average is the answer to that problem. So 18 plus 20 plus 23 plus 27 is 88, divided by 4 is 22. We're going to use that information to solve other word problems where the variable or the unknown piece is maybe in a different spot. So here's that example. The average of 30, 32, 39, and another number is 36. What is the other number? So we're looking for the other number. We're going to set that as our variable. So what do we do then? Well, we're adding up the numbers, right? So we're adding up 30, 32, 39, but we don't want to add 36. 36 is the average. It's not one of the numbers that we're adding up. That's the answer when we do the adding and dividing. We're adding an unknown fourth number. So we're adding 30 plus 32 plus 39 plus x. We're adding the unknown number to the 3 that we already know. Okay. Think quiz scores here. You took 3 quizzes, you got a 30, a 32, a 39, and you have an unknown fourth one. What do you need to get the average to be a 36? That's essentially what we're asking here. There's 4 numbers that we're adding together. So again, we want to divide by 4. We're not going to always divide by 4, but the previous 2 examples have both dealt with 4 different numbers. When I do that all, the answer to my problem should be 36. So that's where the equals 36 comes in. And we have an equation now. A little bit complex, but we've dealt with proportions. We've dealt with fractions. We should know what to do with that. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms on top. 30 plus 32 plus 39 is 101 plus x divided by 4 equals 36. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. That gives me 101 plus x on the left equals 144. Subtract 101 from both sides, and I get my x is 43. I would need 43 as the other number in order to get an average of 36. Okay. Now, it's not all mean problems that we're looking at or average problems. We have other ways of other types of problems that have 2 unknowns. Jeremy's age is 5 more than twice Angie's age. If the sum of their ages is 47, how old are Angie and Jeremy? Well, that's 2 things that we don't know. Angie's age and Jeremy's age. We're going to let Angie's age be x. That means Jeremy's age is going to be written in terms of Angie's age. So let's go back up to the relationship up here. And the first sentence describes the relationship. Jeremy's age equals 5 more than, so 5 plus, twice Angie's age, or 2x plus 5. Okay, that's nice. We've defined both the variables. Both of them have an x in them. Now we need to understand that the sum, what that means, sum is Angie's age plus Jeremy's age. So the sum we already know is 47. Angie's age is x. Jeremy's age is 2x plus 5. There's our equation. Now we should be able to solve that. X plus 2x is 3x plus 5. Subtract 5, you get 42. 42 divided by 3 is 14. Now, what does that mean? X is 14. That means that's Angie's age. Jeremy's age is twice that plus 5. So 2 times 14 is 28, plus 5 is 33. And we would conclude that Angie is 14 years old and Jeremy is 33 years old. And that concludes our 3rd lesson and concludes our week on word problems.